G'day guys, it's Vulcan Campman here. So it's a awesome day out. There's a few clouds around, but still an awesome day out. So I decided to jump on my bike and go out for a ride. Not only that, I've got my drone strapped on the back of my cargo rack, and might take it up to Beachmont or something around that area, and take it out for a bit of a fly. I haven't flown my drone in quite a while actually, so I'm just heading up there now. I just left home about probably 5 minutes ago, so still got maybe an hour, maybe half an hour worth of riding to do before I get there. So I'll touch base with you when I get there. We'll see if we can find a good spot to take off from. Anyway, so I'll see you in a bit. Right here, next to this yeah, right here. Right here. Yeah. Right here looks like a nice spot. Alrighty. Cool. Right, let's go for a fly. Let's fly away, let's fly away. Wow, look at that view. If I just launch my drone up over those power lines and then fly into that valley over there a little bit, that'd be really spectacular. Actually, I might move my drone, I might move my bike over there and get a photo with my drone of me standing next to my bike. That'd be a cool idea. I'll do that. That'd be a cool photo, I reckon. Yeah, look at that. Alrighty. Now, let's get this drone off the back and get it out, take it for a fly. Alright, let's do it. Oh, it is a little bit gusty, but hopefully it's not going to be too bad. Hello, how's it going? Alrighty. Alright. Oh, let's go for a fly, shall we? Alrighty. Oh wow, just look at that. That is so cool. That is marvelous. That, oh man, that just looks spectacular. Wow. Go for a little bit of a fly here. Alright, let's land. Because the wind's really picking up. Awesome. Alrighty. Yeah, well, the wind's starting to pick up a bit. And I do not like flying this thing in strong wind. Oh man. If only I had like a Maverick Pro or something, I could fly it like all the way out there or something. But I can only fly this thing for about maybe 100 meters away before the controller starts to bitch at me saying signal getting low. Which sucks, but oh well, whatever. So this is the drone fly from Vulcan Camman. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, and subscribe if you want more videos. Now just a reminder, I announced on a previous video that I'm doing a JB Hi-Fi gift card giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers, and when the time comes closer I'll let you know how to enter. I'll give you details on that. And yeah, so thanks very much, and let me know which bit was your favorite. And yeah, so from Vulcan Camman, I'll catch you later. Ride safe. Cheers.